fonela the bro. Bro sola. I didn't know. I swear. I drop. Na fonela the hand.
Same time, you did one.
Yeah. I called the hand now. She was like, hey, when this bro called me also, he's scared. He didn't know. I was so to say.
Sharp, the hand to Lord, some phone, and I'm telling him fun. Mhleli nospan bani sengisho igama lemeli yami mhleli nospan bani sekayitholile lento lena ukuthi besiyenza ayichaya once ngoba imeli yami ayithandi lento lena
and now do revenge with sister or cousin.
Wait, I did it. Scott said I do too much.
You have to my head, man. I want to break no. Kabanga, find out what about that.
Man, I flew man and music when it is in right now.
No, why?
Una this
young Tandas.
Hey, what's that
for our relationship?
Scott said too much. I know.
She's fine, she's fine. That one.
When a boyfriend.
That's why now we can be friends. Yeah.
Hi.
What's that Sprite? Then also have also pattern and acetylene, glamour fridge and acetylene. We are going to cook. Sprite just starts out to share that cook hamburger pattern. So that's what I think it is. With our relationship, then like it's a way point where I mean it's not the person I want, but you are. So
sure.
Because my
she's the first one I approached when I got here. I felt something. So every time I see her,
what's in your brain and stuff?
So I upload that thing of my OnlyFans.
Yeah. Churchko.
Yeah. Nisho ikamana kene.
Churchko. Nadish. What?
English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's simple question.
No.
Yeah, pay. Single pay. All the time.
Uzolisho that next.
But single pay.
And she watches also now. What if she watch? Oh, I sent you. So you saw the screenshot I sent you. That one she was like she was scrolling.
Ooh, yeah.
She saw, yeah. Yo, bam, it's your boy Scott ACUTT from 1246 got the vibes. So back again, Vibescape Origin Podcast VOSOP. When no topic is off. Topic. Yeah, that's it.
Topic.
My brother, how are you?
I'm great.
How have you been?
I'm good. I'm fine. Weekend away.
How was it?
Oh. Boy.
How was the event? Tell me about
How was the event?
China Ice, how are you? You fine?
Right, Nene.
Perfect. How was the chillers?
Enjoy guys.
Basically, song boy.
I can't tell you to a best about the fire.
So, hey, so past alcohol, but the event was nah, bro. VSOP chillers.
Marabungali debate like first date. I don't know, guys.
Hey, me have been thinking about that one also.
What happened?
Guys.
Now, first date.
No.
And when we said what was the ideal first date?
Anything but hiring.
Nyamaito.
First date. Take it to text like
I go.
cow's head.
I would then I won't go and
How
in angidli lokuyidla like
wenza la yena?
no ngeke like why kumele ngente lemfana
Maka for me side like I understand ukuthi nyama inhloko maka yeyasho but mina I wouldn't take it ukuthi first date nyama inhloko maka nyama inhloko ha
but mazulu angakwenda
but it's a ring
akana pride but I nami
maka lithi sinajola tasami baby
So kawala.
if angasho ukuthi siyaphi angize ngihambe unless nje umshange surprise
ne
but still angingidla
It's a different story whereby I'll tell you my intelligence about it.
Anidli.
You.
She doesn't.
You.
Most hands say they don't eat nyama inhloko.
Why? What big?
And it's nice that.
Fun.
Angasaveli.
Scorpo.
Awukazi?
Eh.
It's nice that one. God.
Nemathumba anidli.
Mathumbu yini?
Intestines.
Chicken intestines.
Cows, chicken, whatever. Cow's stomach. Yeah, anidli.
And then when I go into like consume, and most people find it funny. I would say, I'm supposed to choose. Like straight.
It's only the smell. So.
I know they are cool. I smell the juice, but I mean, never.
That one, which one? Is it only that one where you dilute it? Or any juice, 100% juice, any juice.
No, like if you can't do it,
next. Next.
You don't? Why? Yes, those ones. So we understand. My emotion, my.
Let's choose guy.
but I smell it fine.
Yeah.
Shoot, my work account. Pussy choose.
Why not?
Go 100%.
Oh, we're not even talking too much juice on the juice. Oh, very since we're grown up, very limited juice.
Maybe from grade
Weird. Weird.
From grade 3 away.
Simple sako, why? You ain't lying, my friend. I'll go on. You should also find love.
Yeah.
Yeah,
it's not easy, boy.
Because
Finding love, it's not easy.
especially if we're singing this cat list is actually easy.
We're singing this
1 year.
nothing snacks in that one. Has 3
Next.
times.
One year singing. About Shelly.
Bang share it on my phone.
Not interested.
What happened? Like, I started out. What happened, like, in your past relationship? But cheating? Cheating.
No.
Cheating?
No. Guy,
Mm.
we have to eat like the princess treatment from me.
I
go.
I understand.
Like,
Princess treatment.
I go. Like, the one the way man matana afuna treatwa ngawo. Like afuna totoswa. Yeah, but you, I'm still the type. I'm still the type.
How?
Benga saying bonolo before man yo.
Hey,
that's a gone ganj.
How?
Gone. Ma, what happened? Like, I don't
No,
like
I ghosted him.
Then you paid
I'm
sure.
What do you think? He cried. That one. Yeah, sure. If I'm for the princess treatment, I also he cried now.
Yeah.
Then what was singing? I choose to singing over princess treatment. Continue king
Mine. Ayo.
And I thought it was a because he was
everything.
And he wanted princess treatment. Ooh, the brother.
When you come to think of it, they're upset.
Yeah, kinda. So I'm never gonna sing one in the relationship. So that's a break.
Don't date.
And I'm even.
You already got
so,
there's no going back.
There's no going back.
You know, no putting.
You was gone.
Kumbula necessário. Mas assim, no, it's one. I can't follow you.
It's got out.
If I tell her when done.
If I'm cheating, I'm out.
You okay?
I'm so kind of obvious.
You say it's okay. You know.
And you care and you use good and you're kind of obvious. But then.
No, I can't.
Mama absence again. Mama absence again. What been happening? It's ngizokhala but ngiyangibonisa unyaka ngizokhala ngaphakathi
Indoda ayikhala.
ne nikhala indoda ayikhala but into engisho ukuthi as gents I think if let's say uyakucheatela again nizabe ama-agents amaningi azobe kuma status seka-motivational speaker manje sekabhala ama-poem
you know yeah sekabhala TikTok now baby and hey my brothers this thing when you're going through a heartbreak no your TikTok baba yes
yeah relate
hey well that's when you know it's chai bamrobile pin
yabona ukuthi hayi no but then ama-agents azoba ama-motivational speaker into ehlangana nawo TikTok siyayipost
yes
ama-agents athi sonke siphila ngendlela different yeah
this vibe
so mina ngikhumbula ngoba singile isikhathi eside
mina angikhumbuli like
it was
ngihethekile.
after school
like ngihethekile sengiyakhala posta into enjalo
you've never
shothi abakuphula inhliziyo
move on fast
shothi abakuphula inhliziyo
yabona
bathi bakuphula inhliziyo
angadi
awazi
angadi
basazomthola
basazokuthola izohlangana nentanga lakho
it's a must for you to go through that
and it's a must ukuthi uvaye through yona usasiyintwana blind because the minute uzohlangabezana nayo musumdala uzobona ukuthi
yazazi now esumjito uthi mina ngicage hey one day uzocage and then uzobreak umfana yaro you feel it ukhetshile 18 hours
kanti bese muthi nomuntu kanti le give video on
kuyahluka
kanjani
kuye kusijula nabayo
yeah and also it just happens that's the problem it just happens
yeah yetendakale awutikhethe
choose vibes that's me I choose vibes over relationship I choose vibing over relationships
vibing
yeah
manje vibing ikhuphula ababody count ngani
kiss bye can't is it a must for you to sleep with those people vibing it's all about that
wait
no at least ndibafana yeah kungcono but if uyintombatane
yeah
ngiyahamba ubafana wonke umuntu ayayabona like ngintombazana ngihamba ubafana wonke umuntu
yeah it's a hard but me is vibing over relationships relationships being in love
bakhetha enough
when unexpected
what happened
new year
wenzakaleni boy
find out
kanjani
my bro
your other bro
my bro now showed me a screenshot it was my first time as a guy. New Year, my brother. Last New Year. And I was so bad time. You know, me how? I didn't believe that. I called the hand now.
Same time?
Yeah. Nah, I called the bro first. This other bro I didn't know, and then I asked for the numbers from my friend who showed me.
Scott. What happened?
She took the hand. She was pusty about with this bro on Favelangai. For example.
I don't Scott. Yes, understand.
Let's say for example.
Yeah, I can understand.
For example, when Jordan the medium said unat, when I'm was and I don't know you, and then unat tell say oh Favela, this other bro I know posted your hand. Which bro? I'm forgetting the picture. I'm forgetting I'm forgetting the property on Favela. And then it's like, give me this bro's number. I wanna confirm before I call the girl and guy. Finally, the bro, my bro sold her. I didn't know. Yes, I swear. I drop. And finally, the hand.
Same time, you did one.
Yeah. I called the hand now. She was like, hey, when this bro called me also, he's scared. He didn't know. I was so to say.
The hand told that the guy.
The bro.
How?
Then what happened?
I was like, fuck. Hey, I was mad.
You were out.
I was out, but I was mad.
But
I wanted revenge.
Revenge.
Yeah, I wanted revenge. I was like, yeah. The problem, I was far from home, my brother. I was holding Inside Mpumalanga. So if I was there, I was gonna go to this Bruce house.
You knew the Bruce house?
My friend knew the Bruce house.
Oh,
So cool. I know, it's just this bra. But sometimes those thoughts, now you mad, like, yes, I'm torn.
Man, just do this stuff. Go see whereby I'm confronting me. So now maybe down cheat.
Yeah.
Then more too. There was about two, but cat. I have it. I'm need to. Yeah. I need to. I don't cause a linking. I want to say I need to. I need to.
Why? You like to stay or you vibe?
I can't away na.
Many cats in van. But Nina before I went to some landing. Nina made it before like I had this story boy. My team was always doing like before. So before like nizo communicate like nizo like I went to mention that then okay bahlangana bayakhuluma before nizo confront. That's when the point decide and then I need to see ubani
usala. No, phela angithikendelela ukuthi kune main side, yabo. Main chief ne side chief.
Maka nithi ngiyakwazi ukuthi bani mina one side.
Angithi kwati wena. Sengibona kumele choose phela.
Maka nina mina maka nizobona nani uzongibonisa ama-chat ukhuluma nawe uthi uyochommunicate nawe kuphi nani uyabona ukuthi lo bamisa le lethe lo bamisa kuma-dates nani lo bamisa ekamereni enyameni enhloko nani
no ungayenda into lenjalo no masiphathile phela akusikho isikhathi sokukhipha ama-chat.
Nakhuluma ukenzeni ngani uThembo
uThembo ngakhipha imali
mina umbetha ebuhlwini nani uThembo wathi maybe vele uThembo vele yena usithandela vele waze ekamereni nani every time why ekamereni hayi uThembo bayahlupha sometimes abaThembo hayi so when
the story
what happened was down
sure
Mention look yellow baba. So
do manje.
Kawu kanjani?
Ngaza.
When you
we say like but yeah, okay, slowly. That's like slowly.
So you want to jump So what happened was when you
yeah.
So you see the okay in the car. Angazi there was a time when mfuna kumwenza ama-chats efonini. Ama-chats like ama-chats wami wakhe bengifuna kumwenza something yathona. Sharp. Athi ngibheke ifoni yami. Angiyashuke kami yathona. Avula lana ama-chats. Then megavula uyaphuma kuma-chat ngena kuma-chat omunye ugene.
Yo.
Nakathi yabheka uyabona lapha nama-screen hello ama-emoji.
Ungabhekanga wena.
Bengibheke yena benganaka manje no ubhizi ngiyakhuluma ngiyabona lo muntu lo sekabheke ifone over mina akasanginaka ngikhuluma lento sengishoyo yo
shit
boy so ke movie no ingqondo yakhe ihlika manje ukuthi shit
man you mistake just made a big mistake
ngithanda ukudelete she evidence what if something happens kusasa let's say maka yuzo never delete mina ngicabanga ngibonise wona straight angidelete mina ngimdelete nama-chat 2020 ngiwaphethe namanje mina ngimdelete what if something happens then
if we are cheater
bakubambile
hayi abambabi
yadelete amathiphu okucheata ke sibhala phansi kumele ngidithe ama-chat nani futhi
but now at least WhatsApp now you can lock the chat
but uzokuyabonakala
ngithi ukuthi
uyakhona ukubona ukuthi alokhiwe ama-chat
uyabona ukuthi khona la lokhiwe awathi usingimaphi so then utoshukani vula yathi nontombazane mara
so then wazothi vula lama-chat nomaphethe ifoni akathi vula
collapse
ngisakutshela
ngestory like ubhala
aphume kuyo le ndawo enza uyafa no
like ungatshintsha i-profile.
Kanjani?
Yabona? I-profile yakho.
Mm.
Uyakhona ukuyitshintsha. Like ufake isithombe selemtshintsha igama. Like utongena athi ufunani.
Kanjani?
Like wena uthi fake lesithombe sa Scott kulo. Like ku-profile yakhe.
Yakhona kuyenza lento leyo. Hayi wathaba kawo. Yakhona kanti umuntu etshintsha i-profile akusuku.
Mnikade.
Switch lento leyo.
Ngile ngatshintsha.
Wachintsha i-profile pic. Like ukhona ukuthi let's say
no, like bengifuna ukukhuluma amanga yabo. Ngasemdala ukuthi like akangitext yabo. Ngitshintsha ne-profile kwabonakala ngathi family member.
Oh.
Tshintsha neligama lakhe.
Uba uyitshintsha i-profile uwo umngane wakho.
Oh yeah, ayitshintsha nguye.
Oh. Mina ngisithi
no, umtshela.
Mina ukuthi mina ngitshela nayo ngiyakhona ukutshintsha i-profile yakho.
Bala ke uzumtshele again ukuthi afake i-profile.
Yabo,
because this is obvious.
Why?
Boy.
Why the fuck?
Nathi ukuvula ama-chats athini? Sekwenzani yini lento yenzayo? Ngenzela amakaka. Then no.
Oh, we're like boxing like shanging bang.
Ngikazi ngishaya ngibaba. Ngikazi ngishaya ngibaba. So, ngithi kuye asimfonele lo ke.
Yeah.
Samfonele. Sikhuluma naye no. No. Ngithi obvious ka lesi media vele lesi sinye ka obvious.
Sure.
Lesi sinye siyacaba ukuthi mina ngiyajola lo ngathaba ukuthi kenzakalani sharp lona samfonela ngiyamtshela ngithi mfana ngihleli nosibani sengisho igama lemedia ngihleli nosibani sekayitholile lento lena ukuthi besiyenza ayichayi once ngoba imedia mayithandi lento lena
Why is njalo?
because sebasibambile ka why mele
no like kungakhuluma manga angithi uyati lo
angithandi ukukhuluma manga umbambile ngizotshela ingcine zami nanyeke ngikhuluma manga
hayi
mele ngize le story manga yasazi inkinga zambuza le story yongifana inkinga zambuza le story ne ngasikhava ntwana 100% clean perfect job
but manga
after 3 months bambamba nalesa story lesiya ngikhulume ngaso le sesirayi
At least it lasted you 3 months.
kawo ngisiphuma kaye yazi okenzeka umnyameni
Kuzovela.
ukhanye
Yes. Of course.
ayithola
You don't lie when you're caught. You should lie, my brother.
so sebayakhuluma lapha yana no bathini imedia ngitshela lo ke ukuthi ayifani ayichubekana nalento yeni mina out lo athi hayi ngimfuna uTheko mina sani ngimo wakho ngitshela ba mina ngihlela mthula bathi hayi sala nomuntu wakho la hayi mina ngimfuni nawe sala nomuntu wakho ngiyabona ukuthi into engisho ukuthi amantombazane mele ngikhulume ukuthi okay hamba bani kusala bani lo kusala naye siyachubeka
Yo. Sekwenzakalani bakulahla bethu vele.
Lo uyasibeka bekacaba kwenzakalana
Yeah.
so then beka steady lesi obvious sangayi cold treatment for a few days then uyachaya maybe after 2 weeks
Let's try.
plus minus 2 weeks uyachaya
Then
lesi vele ka ngingajuli nazo vele ninye ngijole naso vele answer so
benenda
share. Marapales.
bekungana bengimbulisa bengimbona amaka lesiya vele like lesingayenzi into ezibhaya ka
You were ahead.
ukuyachita kabani
if
what's happened
then boyfriend if find out ayilahle
Hi.
wachubeka nalobo uchita naye
why find out
Yeah. Oh shit, man. Find
yo guys manje uzokhuluma let's see kana bakuchite
Choose that tools.
yo bana let's say bakuchite then the next thing balahla wena lo uchite
like
tani izobafuna
No.
blind mfana
like ufind out elani
ka you're supposed
Find out. Come on,
You
so
fun.
was very low. Why were you doing that? It's over. It's over.
blind
So by hand times 2 now.
and feel like uchaza kakhulu like why you cheating you bye bye
azamathaza
uchaza
okay sharp
Mara Sibonelo. Why did you find out?
sibonelo
I wanted to.
ngabuthi manga kawo
I want to find out too. revenge with sister or cousin.
Wait, Scott, too much,
Break no. Abanga, find out what pain about that.
Oh, man, I kill one and lose the panties.
No, why? Why you find out? Okay, go find out till about two.
Then I'm going to do it. To add me to go with I very strong and revenge.
No, we're having us sometimes.
You.
In there.
Why?
Guys.
And then is the thing, like I'm a Thomas
before.
No, I'm gonna notice I'm gonna see how much it and most of the share and no like super interesting again and then the minute century now send you to you don't time and it also sister but I didn't visit the Italian citizens then they try to know after I do so we man yeah I'm telling maybe but take flower maybe once per month, something yearly, Puma, maybe somewhere, and then every time people go 999
it's like that.
I don't know Puma Congange.
Wow. What's that loyal moon? Let's stay for a long.
It's September, October, November, December, January, February, March.
Damn.
8 months.
April.
In the
last year.
Oh.
In your last and in a band. Me in a relationship like last time we was 1 year. I was excited. 1 year excited. Me it's 1 month, 2 months. Then it's shy. And I'm not in a relationship.
And last.
Apologies. We're on a break. Beso pego sibonelo. Sinathola isibonelo. Alright, sibonelo. He was crying, but no, it's fine. Yeah. Now we just came from Sibonelo. The one.
Yeah, she cheated. Oh, she was born in like Sibonelo.
Did you see how we look? If you was going
fun. You Sibonelo, man. I wish I come.
Hey, Miss Kama, you can chat. Hey, Kama, it's how. Joe, Kama is real. Yeah.
It's a Kama straight.
It's a tall.
It's a Kama.
It's a tall. That's why I choose vibing than relationships.
It is good for. For 6 months. 2 are better than 1.
I go shut.
Uzoshada.
Ngizoshada umuntu othanda ukuchase. Probably everyone cheats. Yo man.
Manje cheating into like message cool abantu bazomatured ka. Abanye abantu ka they kind of find themselves. Uthola umuntu athi my love language physical touch. They tell umthinto uthi Magathi kanjani nje physical touch we kind of find ourselves.
Ngeke uzothashwa ngibani. Hawu. Ngeke uzothashwa ngibani. Serious said.
Yeah.
Into ngisho ukuthi most of us like we trying to find ourselves ukuthi unjani emjulweni eka ezizinto baba kumele step by step boy ukuthi no ujole nabantu abanye ngeke ujole it can happen ukuthi ngeke ujole from high school till but then sometimes boy mele siyazifunda ka cheating izophela
cheating is part of life. You will cheat.
Not part of life.
You will cheat. You will cheat.
And you justify cheating.
Nah, I don't justify. I'm just saying this. You will cheat.
Never.
Hey, when I post my third way.
Never.
Temptations.
Never, boy.
When you get like temp.
I don't have a care.
Oh.
Cheating.
Like not temp bajari bulokul basa.
Ay, go.
Ay, temp bajari bulokul basa.
Ay,
When I'm in love, I love for real. Me?
Aye.
Problem, they broke my heart. That's why now I'm calling my soul. But I don't I mean life, you're alive for. Even now there's this hard issue on campus, my brother. Damn. You see, if I told her that one, I'd be so straight. When I want too much information.
Never.
Opposite.
Opposite.
He died for us.
27. Sharp. Then
she's fine. We talk, but she has a boyfriend.
Oh.
And she's loyal.
That boyfriend is not a man saying.
She's loyal.
She's loyal.
So she can be loyal to him.
No,
Mina once ngamenza betray umuntu wakhe ushothi namzo betray one day.
But who you are ka. Uthola
ngiyamthandaza nokuthandaza. For our relationship.
It's like too much, I know.
She's fine, she's fine. That one.
She's
a Christian.
Boyfriend.
That's why now we can be friends. Yeah.
Aye. Angeke. Like mngani wakhe. Uyafuna.
Yeah, it's
Hayi.
Ezabe sengathi chume mina ninazo too much. Ngiyathandazela uzomtshela ukuthi ngiyathandazela mina. Shingathi kathi thandazela i-downfall kahle. But then sometimes I think I just like it's a way. There was a scenario whereby angazi basiposta kuphi lesi scenario lesi ukuthi we pick and pay. Ufike pick and pay uthi ufunani icoke. Uyahamba uyaganda ufunana necoke ufunana necoke icoke uyithola. Uthini? Ayi ngoba nasi Sprite ithi ngithathe sona. Uthatha Sprite. Then also hamba sobhadana ngasithini kulama fridge amancane ngasithini. Uyayibona icoke. Sprite uyasathatha ushiya la uthatha icoke uyahamba uyabhadana. So that's what I think it is. Ukuthi ama relationship ungahlangana nawo. Then ngihlangana nawo like it's a way point whereby mina it's not the person I want but umuntu engifunayo yilo. So
sure.
Umshayelela ngosekuqaleni.
Because my man it was an alternative ukuthi mangafuni icoke ngifuna Sprite. Ngoba vele kune Sprite ngizothatha sona Sprite.
Because vele kunale.
Let's all share Sprite. Then also fika manje ngasithini like future so yayibona ukuthi nayo umfazi wami nayo umuntu ebengimfuna. That's
should that's me also now. If it's not gonna happen, it's fine. And then next thing, she's single now. We can shop. I'll be like, hey, sorry, Sprite.
So
Coca-Cola is
Coca-Cola. So then sometimes it's not a party betrayal. But it don't let your boyfriend stop you from finding your husband.
True. Hand.
Sengikhulile ngizala. Ngizala already. Sekumele imshado nje.
Uzwa umshado ngapha.
Ufuna ukushada?
Yandasha mangifuna.
Hamba kahle bayashadisa la.
No, hayi. Akhehla.
Yasazi.
Oh, yeah.
But
bayashadisa nayasheni. Especially if uqeda matric nje. And abantu abaningi baqeda matric bana 18 or 17. And then indodzi yakho 50.
Balenzani bakusesontweni leniyazikhethela
ngizonda khona vele.
Ama.
Yeah, indodzi ngisho like
intombazane vele ngoshoda kahle before musakhula.
Yeah, so then lo indodzi yadikhethela wena.
So then yakumele ukuthi ayimuma la 16, 17, 18.
Ngakhala.
Say my chooser, it's a must.
Yebo.
Yo, Father God.
Mina benemali ne?
Yeah, banemali vele.
Banemali? Lashema, lethatha. Ngasebenza, ngomsebenza.
Manje ngingabaleka shame.
Nkulunkulu nepasi. Nkulunkulu ovukelayo. Shame. But then what happens, let's say when you're not interested in that person?
Angathi.
If you really approve lento leyo ukuthi kawo.
Bona ithi babathengile igroza.
Bakuthengisa ngegroza. Kanti nakuthengisa uthi
true.
How aniyabonene nama video ku Instagram or ku TikTok.
Mina khane ngizale ngale ndaba last year bangitshela.
Sibashadisa la. Mi khona ngizomanje.
Khani zaman.
Nyalo.
Hayi. But bashadisa la phakasheme bake bakufaka.
Ngobuka Instagram or TikTok. Kukhona serious.
Lento tena 50 kanti ka ayishoni nabafazi abaningi ne. Lethe unomfazi uyakhona ukela phezulu kwakho athi.
Let's bazula believe it was tempo. Mina mara mina
Ngiyabusho ichitela ngizomza.
Sithembu.
hayi.
So ngamchitela kule ndoda sonto sishembo uzoshaya ngezulu.
Ngathi.
Abazochitela 50. You no longer operating the way now.
Hey, but the long to kuphuma ka. You just entered the dating scene because you tena 50.
Hey, wena.
Hayi ka it's too much mfana nye.
Sezofuna ukuphanda phela.
Yo mfana. But then it guys Thembu nyekunye kuzo.
Ngeke.
Why not? Let's say umamkhulu.
And I'm phone.
You out.
Yebo,
Ngiyasifuna isithembu.
mamkhulu wami.
Mina.
Yeah, kuba mfana phela umnanzi.
Mina ngisifuna.
Why?
One wife and then
Ah,
just
yes, that in there ku TikTok bathi I made a ivumi mfana. Yes. Yes, the trend. But when ulubonile into yakho lethi I made ivumi, anye ivumi.
Ufanele bonke phela.
Maka bakhona abantu abasacceptayo isithembu. Letho nabantwana bayi8 nanomuntu.
Hayi phela siyahlukana. Like 80. Hayi.
It's not easy to live unless if you are
Hayi.
man umuntu.
Sifike njani 8? Sifike njani 8? Hayi.
Hey.
Ngabona nje sekuna 3 na ngithi sek right. Hayibo.
Yayenzakala.
No.
Okay, nabantwana bayi3 nalomuntu. Maka 3 mncane sithi 3.
Hayi 5, you know.
Maka liyasebenza.
Angibafuni ndawo yi5. Yo. Ngwendani?
Okay, so if ufuna like 3 is enough.
Yeah.
Or you have 3 now, then we expect this. Uzokhipha.
Do not talk, please. No, guys, actually, once I'm 23, ngidobarise like ngidojova ngide something else. Yabo.
Concentrate. You mean?
Contraceptives.
Contraceptives.
Yeah.
Let's protect.
Yo. Andaba ngwendani? Andaba nini? Ngwendani?
Too much, ne?
But I don't wanna find love. Love is nice, so it's
Somehow, but I can let it nice.
depends on the person.
No way.
My guys in variety.
Same for the future wife.
Aish boy. Aish mntana yami. Ngiyakuphila.
Nyalo.
I prophesy in front of
Yes, Mandela.
I prophesy in front of the people, in front of
Hayi
the
lo muntu
people.
yajola mfethu.
Hayi lo ya ka.
Hayi ngiyamfuna.
Hayi Scott hayi phuma lapha. Hayi
She's nice.
Hayi phuma lapha.
Oh, hard. I love that. You
Must
see
be
when
boyfriend,
someone
yeah.
is not easy, like she's hard.
Hard to get.
Une boyfriend.
I'm not in a boyfriend. That's why I'm be nice to everyone.
Hi. The boyfriend is not the one.
Last boyfriend that one.
No,
Manje?
it's not
Like,
the one.
he around
Okay.
me fair.
Nah.
He's not around.
Yeah.
Ma, ngiyacabanga nyana le. Uzoba boyfriend yakhe la.
Akamfuni.
She's the first one I approached when I got here. I felt something.
Ah.
Every time I see her,
Ha.
I want to tell
Mama
you
mjele
something.
ka. Wama vile mjele.
Ukuthi?
Ukuthi mfana. Ngisisaba ifi.
Ukuthini?
Mfonele no.
Hayi wena.
Ngiyacela.
No.
Mfonele. Mfonele ka. Abantu the people ngitambonele. No. Mfonele lo mjele ukuthi ufila kanjani.
Hayi
Aye,
mfethu.
then it will be chai forever.
Okay, let's say umjele.
We're going to church.
Never imhlelo so mncane.
This week,
samncane.
and this week she's taking me to church.
Oh.
No,
Nesipho siyamnceda lo muntu yamfonela manje lo muntu.
Hayi.
Pasti.
Ndokhuluma on your way to
to
church.
church, yes.
Not on your way. Coming back.
I'm very aware of now. I love this one. It's been some years since I went to church. I know I'm going to church. And in Jahu Sunday, so go to church.
Sunday. My vana ka nice ka having ka like umuntu ozothandazela wena mfana like have you friend ethandazayo wena.
Mara chita kunjalo. Wachitha.
It's the devil.
Hayi, ngangicasa.
Yabaza bazobheka uSathane bathi hey ngichithi soSathane. Sathane ngiyakuthandana.
Ngiyamdali, hayibo.
Hayi, see.
Ubhedene mara ngiyamfaka enzaweni into yokuchitha.
Ubani Sathane?
Unemcala nje.
Maka there are ama instances maka bakhona abantu abachithayo whereby ngiyakuthandazela nani but eish uthola umuntu ka like interested kuwe mfana.
Sure.
Ocaba ukuthi ala future ngiyayibona.
I see future there.
Fine. And in a click, I got a healthy relationship. I want to talking to man.
Imolai.
Yung fun.
Oh,
yabo lutho ayinani akagroovy akayenzi
yes
Unani groove? Hayibo.
utobazana groove.
Yebo, hoy.
Sathi uyazi indlela.
No, asifani. Asifani sonke badala.
Tsone the same thing bafetha. Into emshalana nento ezisibusuku. Intombazana kumelanga ngibusuku.
Yes, but be safe.
Mfana. Maka nawe sijet kamele kube iva groove. Then wena ngeke kube highly
every time.
Mele wehlise kancane groove lapha nana. Maka yena mfana. It's not safe ka for ukuthi intombazana yakho. It's not safe for amantombazana. Protect me, yes, protect. Sasa bazabe bathi justice for span so people hearts. People still amanto sharp. Yabona zathini akahambi yedwa sho ukuthi hamba lawani. Abantu abazomprotect and the people who protect are one ama-gems.
Hayi
bayathenga. Now she didn't have enough money. Next thing she posting amabhodlela adurayo.
Why? Sinini singaphosta amabhodlela adurayo. Then sinini niseka
Kanjani?
Sinini sekunesekelo kitchen uvuke emashidi namhlophe.
Wena.
Sinini niseka baby akathile kithodla kasana. How? Sinini baby phone amilo nyamkhona kuchurch.
Uyabona accent imali athamba uphuza.
Baby thatha imali nazo.
That's what you should know. I know.
Unenkinga ngifakela imali.
Imali sokufakela imali.
Yadlala nibafana ngibaphi imali.
Yababa. Ababi
She doesn't.
Why?
Why kumele ngimuphi?
Uyamninga let's say let's standard ufuna 100.
Yeah, yabona njalo yeah.
Let's say TV maybe let's say athi fana ngifuna ukugunda sinini ngathi thatha.
Yeah, ukugunda ekavakala.
Yeah, I know asimali kwenza something not that even ngifuna thatha la imali.
Drinks on.
Let's see athi baby nyafuna.
No.
This is now athi baby athi.
But what ukunathisa abangani bakho?
Ufenyana, not a lot.
Let's say athi baby nyaphuma namachita nyamkhona kusala. Ngithumele 5 clip anyana.
Ha?
Asimnandi kanjani check.
Asala ayiwani
imali.
Kunani
machita kama. Hayi never ngeke.
Move man. Yena uzokubetha more. It's an investment.
Let's go out. Then ubhadala wena it's on you.
Yeah, angenza.
It's basically ukunika imali mas. Ukunika imali.
Unika yena. Hayi angimniki. Unika la. No wait. Wait, nginika bona imali ngiyabhadala.
Mara tsone the same thing something somehow.
No, akufani because if bengithi nikela yena beke uthenga tshwala. Hayi.
Manje uzopraise abangane nathi ubheke umfakele imali. Sekuthanda lesi.
No, mfana,
ungafeli.
Utakukhomba leyo gunda. Utakukhomba leyo gunda hayibo.
Uzomnika yogunda ethengiswayo abangane bakhe bazomfuna.
Kuba buhlungu kunika mfana imali.
Kanjani kubuhlungu? Enhlizweni kanjani? Awuluzi next like besides
imali siyayithanda phela. Manje mase ihamba.
Angithandi imali, khona iqiniso, ngithanda into enisenza ngemali.
No, like if unemali ngiba happy. Even noma ngayisebenzisi nyaro esizobe zikhona.
Yeah, mara
balance.
Yeah, mune balance nyana yabona nesistress yakhona ukuthi bakiba kuchitela. Yakhona nindingi ukuthi hayi.
Benda bakuchitele bakulahle ngapha broke. Yo.
Makindoda enjani broke?
Hayi indoda enjani broke? Hayi indoda ayibi broke.
Hayi indoda ayibi broke.
No.
Nemali nina mlethu. Nemali nina.
Hey wena uyithi.
Ngibonisa.
Ngikho.
Siyabreka instap yabo.
No, akithi usho mina.
Wathi siyabreka instap.
So siya-uploada thina kuma OnlyFans. Kadlala.
Isikhathaye. Amethi.
Sengazukhokho mara manje. Ngileni nasekhokho mara ulate nje. Athi ngifake izithombe zakho ngizothi 5K.
Oh, athi Skata boy.
Dudu sara.
Skata boy.
5 star.
Send something Skata boy.
Uzofaka.
Sugar man.
Mina.
Uzofaka vele 5 star.
Oh, kusiyani. Ay, utoyisita yathi le media yakho.
I don't know, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine.
Utoyisita.
But I want you to like.
Yeah, ngiyamtshela ukuthi ayishare.
Hayi, awumazi.
Izodimanda more.
Athi awumazi uhlala kude.
Hayi, what if I'm poster?
Yeah. Athi uhlala next year. Let's uhlala next year. Akaza South Africa ngenyanga.
Send to us, send you
Ngicela
10,000.
tu ama text.
10,000.
Please send.
And your boyfriend and your time.
Guys.
Athi
no,
please
10,000.
Ngiyasaba mina.
10.
Ngiyasaba.
Tau.
Hayi.
20.
No, guys, what if I'm poster?
50 net
Interview ones.
Hayi.
viewers.
So yes.
10, 20,000. It's a lot.
Hey, I mean, I'm not going to do this.
Hayi phela unomfana.
Zofana uphinde.
Guys.
Ngishita lesinye even if
It's face ayifini.
Bafana banandzaba yathi. Yeah.
Banandzaba.
Bafana abanandzaba. Hayibo.
makamina nyeka yawe. Sikele sizinto ka reputation yakho ngekugeni nge10,000.
Nemali.
So ya trend online. Ngawa never.
But you send.
Must go wenda before.
No. I've never. I'd send the Rashid you are. So for 10,000.
Yeah. Mara wandana abanye bayazenza mfana. Ngiyakuganda.
Now mange mugenza.
Scott, so yes, contradicta what to say. Uthathe kusho kanjalo ukuthi uzoyenza nani manje ngithi
Ngizoyidownloada ku Google.
ngiyakwazi le screenshot.
Send. Send down.
Ile bathola ngakhona imali la uma OnlyFans.
Okay, now I wanna see you. I'll buy you a car. Hi. Easy, mommy.
Akafuna imoto. Come to daddy.
Hey, today, angeke.
Umami.
Hayibo.
Uthe come today, angeke.
Mamela. Ngithi umami. Uyanyambiza uthi woza mami come to daddy.
Oh.
Wathi come to daddy wathi woza number 2. Scott toilet toilet. Awuzibamba no. Bathi waya so lapha ya kuma internet. Scott nanya uphuzile nani.
Imagine baba so trend. Yeah, don't do it. Yeah, le ukuthi bazokutrendisa nami ngiyithola.
Bafana banandzaba shem. Bafana banandzaba.
Cute the fuck. Tla trenda. Is this a song? It's too yes, Tyler. Baby, what are you doing? You've been gone for so long.
Nah, come. Yes, bana. Really ngicabanga ukuthi like there's this thing never by amantombazane. And I should have relate ne. Ukuthi when I uthi people want to try. So then like amantombazane they prefer going back to like their exes.
Why? Instead of what?
Of ukuthi qhubeke nani weba uzokhuphula ibody count.
Oh.
Hayi.
So
Ukhuphula ibody count.
Ngamanye kuphwe mfana.
15. Manje 10, 15, 20.
No, right, that's too much. At the end, I also joined a moon one and I. Gendega. Meaning I went.
That's us.
Meaning I
So
went.
listen,
Yeah.
so okay. There's this thing with they prefer going. It's either you give endless men a chance or you give a man endless chances. It's either you give endless men a chance or you give a man endless chances. Prefer you give endless men a chance. Baningi bonke banethe nosipho sike sajola naye nani nosipho nanya yabo repetition yayehla
That's why nekujola nguthanzi.
Bafethu kumnandi kanje ukujona
Kumnanzi kuwo phela.
Kumnandi for 2 seconds.
honeymoon then iyachaya
2 seconds. Vibe.
Kahle ngiyabhoreka mina.
emjolweni ne
Yeah.
ngoba nenzi next that's why
Ufuna sendeni?
go out every day bachakani nani yabona
No, hayi wena.
ngiyadlala
Kendeka.
As long as you try new things sometimes.
Ngicabanga ukuthi ukuthi njalo nje. Yabona? Yeah.
ngoba yini ngahle kahle ukuthi nenzinto eyiwani every time ngithi
No.
there's no different things niyakhuluma every day into eyiwani
Kahle shothi angadalelwa mjulet.
mimi ngithola kusinto
Kendeka.
mi bye
Because I
Shoot. It happens.
Makethaphela ukuthi sometimes ngithola kusithi sonke
very
for example udalelwe nini ujola ba
Wena, wena wasazokhetha.
angiyafana
Imali bakhetha zokubaha sana.
Scott
Ngizasanga ukuthola 2 beers. Ngoba losithi suits. Sengiyakula.
Nzima mfana let's Scott uzongikhalela engijene anakangichithela kuzoba nzima ukuthi ngikududuze ngathi
Ududuza umuntu.
Ungcono vele akajile.
wenzeni
Ungcono angamjile.
ufela ngaphakathi iyaphinda
Hayi botshela someone else. Umuntu otokuhleka. Hayi bo.
Therapy.
Laughter is a form of therapy somehow.
But I'm related.
Kuphi?
Hayi phela ngikasangihetheke mina. Ngikasangihetheke. Uthi
Makulafa makuzohila.
njani?
Yewini.
Njani yakuda.
Uzoculuhleka nawe
Mara
Uhleka
Bamlafa you always in love.
Uhleka kabuhlungu ngithi.
Bahleka kuzosilenta ingivisa ubuhlungu. Babe ngagcina ngajwayela ukuthi I know it's far.
ezivara.
Let me be myself again.
Maka at least ka find out ni ngena the next day.
I started a new chapter, everything.
What happened after that?
We became friends.
With that hand.
Oh, father.
Scott, I'm disappointed.
I go.
Yeah, then I dated a cousin.
You get a man. Serious?
No man.
Scott, that's Chasha.
I dated a cousin.
I
was in love with a cousin before me and I joined.
Oh, he cooked me Sprite.
Yes. So she.
My Scott.
I'm joking.
I'm chilling. Ngiyabona ukuthi
friends.
Why?
Namanzi akhuluma naye.
Yeah.
No, anginayo naye enye excellent khuluma naye mina.
Avele.
Sikhulumane.
Ayakufanela.
Sikhulumane. Yini? Hey.
Cabanga from hearing it out, never speaking again.
Bruh. It's crazy, ne?
Ngihlala siphila kuwo
It's crazy ukuthi umuntu uyamniyazana kawo.
Uyamazi lo muntu lo uyamazi. Nanoma sekahamba uthi makayena. So changile, this is not the person I know.
What's crazy kama lamo namanje ngizona.
Not ukuthi ngiyabazonda but kude indlela.
But manje we don't talk.
Sokhulumane.
Unjani uyamcheck ukuthi ushaya?
Hayi.
maybe let's say bekadlala ibhola mbuzo ukuthi sodlala iKaizer Chiefs athi na yamcheka nje
Hayi,
asibheka
Natometsana until uthola umuntu ozoba ready.
No.
So then the time you were singing for 1 year, what happened? Like you weren't interested kula abanye abakushelayo.
Hayi. Akusikho lamajuice lenganathawo.
No situation.
No.
No nothing at all. Damn, 1 year.
No,
Yebo.
clean.
You.
Hey, when Chief, I can't.
I say,
1 year. Now.
It's vela sifani.
Yeah, very nice. It's correct.
Namantombazana abantu bakhona ukuhlala isikhathi eside vele nawo.
Mashallah,
Angithi banabangani.
Siyachetha kuphela.
Choice.
No! Hayibo. Hayibo.
Because bakhona nakhomaziyo ona.
Yes, kude. Like
Abanama-choice abanye banema-veg baba abanama-choice.
Guys,
Bachoose ama-cucumber store mabathenge ekhaya.
Umuntu kawula ayamakukhamba uyambona
Thekeni cucumber yena solo la.
Sele kula ufuna ubheka ukuthi yenza kanjani. Mabakhona bazi.
no, kude athi angikhulumanga phela. Ngikhuluma. Angikhulumanga, ngiserious.
Hey, mina kudala bengiba-confused mabakhuluma bathi ish, I left my dildo what. So kanti ubani udildo? I know it's a friend. Their friend.
Akhona amantombazane. Siyababona.
Drawer even is
3 AM. Umuntu mapurisa ukabza. DJ
on the desk.
On the desk. 3 AM. Oh jeez. Nakhuluma nabangani benu. Bakhona baziyo ukuthi 3 AM isikhathi sakhona.
Kude. Ngicabanga ukuthi futhi bangakhuluma. Hayibo.
Nakhuluma ezamantombazane.
Hayi, mara lesinye story leso angicabanga ukuthi umuntu angakhuluma athi.
Abanye bayakhuluma bathi chobi. It was nice.
I prefer the toy more than my boyfriend.
No, bangani bami bonke bayajole. Bonke.
Wena bathola abahendi manje wena ngathi kawele rotten potato ka. Wena wathi ukwenza kana something njani? Uzaba influencer ukukhube la. Chembatsa malo kuba
La boyfriend ngasina ungayilapho uzothi hayi ungazingayo wazwa ngimchitha. You don't do that.
Ngiyawena. Hawu akusengibaba wakho, akutshela lokho wasambi. Hawu.
Philele yakho ne.
Right.
Makumele you have to leave kamhla kaJehova ukuthi kusasa musuthi wenzanga watsiphenga.
Inkinga wathi wabasingile yabo there's no going back yet.
Namastandards akaba high. Onye utshole nanoma bani.
Avele nje ngijolo uyaphumana. I don't know why.
Yeah, true. But have you noticed ukuthi kodwa ngimi one ngiviewer so ukuthi emhlabeni that's we came to suffer more than to enjoy.
Nah, boy. It's the opposite.
I'm not suffering.
What?
I'm not suffering.
That's normal.
Only academic stress.
Now, after isikole umsebenzi now still too much enjoy including of service and also grow at that certain time enjoy for that certain time.
I feel like I life
And then we shot about cheated.
I mean, that's how the cheater guys.
That's when I realized no, it's bad.
So I feel like into me samba grand like I will notice so be grateful. But the minute isn't to samba not according to samba like ila uzoyifila khona enhlizweni then uzoyinothisa kakhona uyabona manje ka like uyaphila ugrand like awugula na next time the minute uzophatha iflu uzozo why ngikule isikhathi esingaka why mina kumele ngisafare kangaka nanana so the minute uzotala ukugula either way uzorealize ukuthi emhlabeni ngiyasafara nanana but the minute usharp awubi grateful ukuthi ngiyaphila nanana ukuthi ngi right.
I've been sick
Veni ukhula njani? Ukhula njani?
Ukhula yini?
Ngani wena uphethe yini? Uyazazi ukhula njani? Uyazazi
I get you.
So ayifani.
Nami ngikhula njalo.
From
Nginama-sinus.
Wonke umuntu these days ukanama-sinus.
Hayi bokuthana now, why uthi these days?
Senyatsho okunye okuhlangana nayo sekabana-sinus nalokawona.
yazi la period uthi wonke umuntu nenkinga yamehlo.
Hey mfana, yo wonke umuntu sekanenkinga amehlo, wonke umuntu enama-sinus.
Newama nenkinga.
Amehlo.
Ngiyadlala. Ngiyadlala.
Wonke umuntu
Hey boy.
wonke umuntu nenkinga amazinyo ufaka ama-braces. Nah, that one was just fashion.
Ene bathi ama-braces 20 rand ishinda. Manje bathathu khona 18,000.
Yebo phela alungisa amaphiko.
Ah.
Yeah.
Hayi ngicela ngithenga ama-drills baya.
Wee.
Ngiyabona. Ngiyabona.
Ngeke avume uwife.
Ne. Yeah, sure.
And the man avuma ungafaki.
Mafaki.
Mm.
Nyala.
Big out. As then those normal say those night calls now ish.
I'm not ne.
Nah.
Ah,
They are nice.
Ah,
Man just feel like stage just my so full glala man.
Yamtshela ukuthi hayi
Baby, me, I'm still.
Oh,
full of shit, that's it. Full who do you wanna call?
But at least yabona nje
Single.
as long as ungabangeli rooms amsindo.
Msindo.
So ayabona ukuthi
Nami at least anginayo rooms. Yo. Angivani msindo.
full peace. Ngesaba like mina ka
If especially if ajola nje to bangamsindo. Hayi.
akhuluma nobi.
Olakuxoshe njalo.
Ungixoshelani?
Athi
No, like ahamba boyfriend yakho.
mara.
I'm fair.
It's
Mara
my
boyfriend akhe share naye. Then
Angenza ukuphuma rooms ka boyfriend.
wena wamaphuma wena especially.
Hayi,
Special
that
time.
space some lazy.
Nah, space sakhe.
Nah, but it's fine. It's fine.
But
You
it's
don't have
fine
to
too.
leave.
Yeah.
When
I
reality. So I go wrong so much. So you go wrong. I know. I was a puma guy.
Ngiyadlala ngaphuma yathi.
Yini kuthi yo boy. It's been a great week mfana. Hoping to more success and time. I will learn kale week mphuma wona. There's no can rest mfana.
What's your job?
Yeah, obviously contributing facts, but that's not the main case, but contributing facts. Good thing.
At least. I'm proud for you, I'm proud. I wish I found love.
Chinese are
Enjoy while it lasts.
I'm negative.
Zomshata. This is the one.
Kakshata.
Just no one.
How you want to feature?
How?
You call in the future, I think too much.
It's a, I'm no longer I'm told I'm Zomshata.
Yeah. Chechko.
Yeah. Nisho ikamalake.
Chechko. Nadish. What?
English.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's simple question.
No.
Nyapega. Single pair. All the time.
Uzolisho wena next.
Never. Single pair.
And she watches also now. What if she watch? Oh, I sent you. So you saw the screenshot I sent you. That one she was like she was scrolling.
Ooh, yeah.
She saw, yeah.
Ooh.
Not that
Makalisa banogrand wena. No grand sa screenshot. Uboni na react TikTok khona. Ama emoji nani. Hey guys, this is grand is on that perfect when perfect. For when I see future there my friend. Na professor.
I see also, but she doesn't.
How come she doesn't kanjani? Umele wena.
Angithi-
Le nto uzomtshela ukuthi what took you so long.
Angithi ngiyasajola.
Man, you should.
Mele wena.
Yes, wait.
Ngiyiphele mfana.
Good
Ayiphele kusho bani?
great things takes time.
Ayikho into
Be
lengapheli.
patient.
Sho ukuthi niyakhe msisazophela.
Yebani.
Nah, your kids also pay.
God.
Na. Angithi ivele akukho lokungapheli. Akukho lokungapheli. Vele expect anything.
Yeah, obvious. Life injalo, but then now you shouldn't do things ngamabomu ukuthi
Don't forget the name. Yo, this brother. Yeah, wow, bane.
Bathi ayikho into engapheli. Maka into ngisho nesipho ukuthi we shouldn't do izinto ngamabomu and the mindset ukuthi ayikho into engapheli. Obvious izophela, but then
True.
the way izophela ngakhona it should be like genuine angazi enhle maka na ungayenza into ungabe manje uthitha ngabo kuyafana naleyo yabo ungabe so ignore ama calls wakho usenza noma yini ngokuthi njengawe yabo lento yenzile ukuthi manje sibonele ngiyamzwela
Manje ngisamzwela.
nami ngisamzwela nokuthi asibonele
Akhuluzuwe.
Wrong in me. Wrong.
Umele ngamtshela ukuthi afani I'm not feeling
Ngokuthi ukuthi uthatha ama sweets bonelo.
Hayi.
Ukamnika amasini.
Goodbye.
Usibonele.
Awukazomnika ama sweet.
Uzophika obvious.
No, guys, ngintshelile ngithi.
Uzophika.
Yo.
What was your best breakup?
None.
None. Bonke abakazi bantama.
No.
Nasipha yena lakhe mfana. Uhamba kahle like no bana
Hayi guys, ngingasho njalo.
Ngihlangana nabantu bazokuphula inhliziyo nani.
Ngishilo guys engimdala. If
So for umshado.
hayi nyalo. Ngijolo mfana. Ngijolo ngiphumile guys, angifuni ukukhuluma manje. Even noma i-take yami ingishela nje
Awusafuni.
Usekho interested. Type yakho umuntu enjani?
Yeah. Complexion doesn't matter. Yeah, ngaba light ngaba dark.
Tall. Handsome.
I go for looks.
You go for looks.
What if umdala?
Yeah, that's why siyahlangana into sakho but she goes for looks ne. Ukuthi that's why amachita tshala amachita maybe machama boy nani. Bakubona ngokuyisikhathi like what do you bring to the table?
You don't go for the looks.
I pay.
Okay, the looks now. Do you go for the looks? I do. I go for like anything. Like, but most important, obviously looks amazing. Like, I have a couple of times. But I go for anything. It's mostly for the personal needs. When I'm going to say, I went.
It's fine.
It's all none. But then when.
Nah, it's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. Ne.
It's in the Zipa.
Hayi bo.
No,
ngivela njani?
Baba isibonelo.
Sibonelo.
Isibonelo, I hope you heal. You gain weight.
Guys, I
Happy.
next time.
Udlala ibhola.
No.
Sikakhoza Chiefs. Shuda nkomo uyalile batch sibonele. Ngiyadlala. Mara ngitana
Kwale way.
out.
Vibescape Origin Podcast. VSOP. When the topic is off,
Topic.
yeah, lies are down. We're out.